What's up, you guys? This is part 7 or 6. I can't really remember. But from last update, I think I was gonna go get it aligned from last update. But yeah, this is it. So I got a lot done to it. So, well. I got most of them. I can say I got all the interior done. I got the windshield fixed. I got plates. That means if I got plates, that means I got it refereed. Everything went pretty smooth. Got new plates. So working on body trim now. I have this piece, so and it's a whole different color from the front. So you can see, put the headlights on already as well. So yeah, no mods right now. Oh yeah, I did change brake and rotors. That was pretty cool. I also got some coilovers in the front. I just bought some rear lower control arms for the rear, and I'm going to buy the camber. No, I mean the upper control arms for the front next week, so I can go do my alignment because it's really bad right now. Yeah, so no check engine problems. I am using a PR4 instead of a P75, which is very, very weird, because with the PR4 I get a code 13 or 14, can't really remember. Yeah, I can't really remember, but I had to do something with the idle control valve, which is weird because mine is brand new. Yep, so let me show you guys the sticker real quick. So yeah, so to make the intake fit though, it had a little bracket like right here that you're supposed to like tie down to the car here, but I just grinded it off and fit kind of snug. Yeah, so that's it. I got the car aligned. It was off. It was pushed from here, although it was kind of pushed this way and it's slanted. A buddy of mine helped me fix it. It was off by like an inch and a half, which is why I wouldn't be able to get my tranny and motor in. But now that I'm just paying attention to detail now, I need to make my I have this gap right here that I want to fix. I don't know what it could be either. If it's the frame or the headlights or something, I don't really know. Cause on this side it's flush, as you guys can see. It's flush all around. Like I said, no mods right now. I'm trying to save up some money to do pretty badass mod, which, well, at least I think of it. Here's my carb sticker. Anyways, Yep. Oh shit, it's right here. Alright, so let me turn it on for you guys. I did take off the silencer because I wanted to see how it will sound without it. Sounds pretty good. Still need to get the Good Love box right here. Computers on the side because it was raining, and as you can see the big ass holes right there. There is another one like up here. It's a big hole. If we were to take off the weather guard from the front, you would see it. I'm gonna try to block it off so no more water can get into it. But this is California, so hopefully we wouldn't get a lot of rain. But here you guys go. It does rev. I will warn you guys. It does rev really high when it's cold, like a cold start. I'm not exactly sure why. I'm having trouble figuring that out, but once it gets warm though, it just idles normally. Kind of weird. You guys see right now. You see how it idles at around 1500. I have driven it already, well, obviously, but it's really scary because my alignment's so off that, see, this is supposed to be straight up and the wheels are straight right now. Yeah, it's kind of weird, but yeah, let's just let it warm up. I would take you guys out for a spin, but I don't have anybody to hold the camera right now, and I don't have something to hold it with. But I don't want to go inside. I don't want to go outside right now. It's windy and the car is fucking loud. I did put the distributor in advance, maybe a little bit too much. I might have to put it a little bit down later on today or something. But other than that, it runs good. The brakes are right. I got the brake best pads that I can get at AutoZone. So yeah. So part 6 or 7, I'm basically done. It's just detail work now. You know, I got some CX Racing lower control arms for the rear. I'm getting some eBay upper control arms for the front with the bushings. Oh, I'm also, because they also came with the camber adjustment for the rear. Like I said, I need to get those probably next week or something. But other than that, it's just detail work now. You know, get a stereo, speakers, headers, change it to fucking muffler, because I want to put the DC Sport one on. Yeah, I mean, practically done. You see what I was talking about? How it revs really high when I'm starting off. I don't know, it's really weird. Oh, and also my brake lights started to not work, so I need to figure that out. I was gonna do that right now, but I haven't done an update in a really long time, so fuck it, you know. The smog the referee went really easy. You know, they just smogged the car. I had my catalytic on. Everything was there. I went all legal. So here comes my little nephew. So let me get him real quick. Alright, so yeah. Just let it warm up a little bit more. And I'll take you guys to the back so you guys can hear it. Siéntate. likes to get in the car a lot. I don't really know why, even though he's just scared of it. And that's what I'm talking about. You see how it kind of just dies very randomly. I'm not really sure. But let's take you guys outside. So it took about a minute and a half, maybe 2 minutes. Like I said, I did take off the silencer. Just because I like how it sounded without it. A lot better. I am polluting the world, so my bad. But I'm gonna put the camera in the back. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go leave the camera here and go rev it a little bit. Polluting the world. That's what I do best. Alright man. Alright guys, so it's been quite an update. And catch you guys later. Peace.